In this video, you will learn about the if function. The if function is a logical function that returns one of two possible values depending on whether a given condition is true or false. We want to find a quick way to tell whether a customer was on hold longer than 15 seconds. We will use the if function to test each call. If a customer's hold time is greater than 0, the if function will return a value of yes, a long hold time. Otherwise, it will return a value of no, a short hold time. Click cell M5 to select it. On the ribbon, click the Formulas tab, and then in the Function Library group, click the Logical button to display a list of all the logical functions. Click If to open the Function Arguments dialog box for the if function. In the logical text box, we will use the expression L5 is greater than 0 to test whether the value in L5 is greater than 0. When referencing cells, it is a good practice to click into the cell you are referencing. Type yes in the value if true box, and then type no in the value if false box. If you're going to use text in formulas, you need to wrap the text in quotes. Example, quote, text, quote. The only exception to this is using true or false, which Excel automatically understands. Click OK to enter the formula equals if L5 greater than 0, comma, yes, comma, no, close parentheses, into cell M5. Drag the fill handle over the range M5, M515 to extend the formula through the rest of the call log. Scroll to the bottom of the column, click the Autofill Options button, and then click the Fill Without Formatting option button to retain the banded rows. You have just learned how to create the if function.